Okay, sweet eats. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. This is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. I'm not the sweet eats this time. Don't eat me, don't eat the squirrels, please. It is something I've shown in a previous video, a holiday splurge from this general Christmas 2023 to December 2023 season. Today I'm filming this, so it was filmed before this video, not the same day. Today is Monday, 18 December 2023 as of filming this, and so I showed this product in that video. If I'm feeling ambitious, I'll link that video in the video description. Today is a maintenance day on the Tanis Diet with running low volume. I've not decided on if I'm going to do a walk run or my stationary bicycle, but so I was like, I'll do one of these. My mom likes these. She sometimes has some of my frozen novelties, and I sometimes have some of hers. And since she offered it up, I was like, all right, I've had these before. So it's a Blue Bunny vanilla caramel crunch mini bar. 130 calories. It is truly mini, and it's got the little bunny on the handle. My Dominique loves caramel, as do I. And we prefer the caramel pronunciation, though we are capable of pronouncing it both ways. You can see the yellow, brown kind of, and what the vanilla is. The caramel. It's good. The ice cream is fluffy texturally. Chocolate is crunchy, but not too hard. And I'll link to the Sweet Eats video I filmed before this morning, the holiday cake bites. And this is similar to those cake bites in the sense of both this item and the cake bites have a harder exterior and then a softer interior. So there's textural variation within the product. 21 out of 10. Very good. Happy day and time of viewing whenever you're viewing this, and happy place of viewing this wherever you're viewing this from. It was a Blue Bunny vanilla caramel crunch mini bar. Mini ice cream bar.